Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a Fab Fit Fun haul, and it's an unboxing, and I had to make myself laugh. Oh, because I just finished a very gut-wrenching video, and then I had to view it and everything, and so now I'm back. But I started this out going, I'm back with a Fat Fib Fun, and I was like, that's not right. What is it? So it took me a minute. I am so tired. I have not slept for 3 nights. And last night was my first night. I thought, oh, I'm going to sleep through the night. And then my phone dropped on the hard floor at 5 a.m. I mean, I sat up wide-eyed, woke my husband up. It was horrible. And it took me hours to go back to sleep. And then it was time to get up. So anyways, I'm a little sleepy today, so excuse me. But it is a Fab Fit Fun haul. If you guys don't get one of these boxes, I think I have a link below. Help yourself to it. It is a really good deal. I literally get things I would never buy myself in a million years. And out of the whole box, I could get one thing that is the cost of the box. And I was so glad I got it. And then everything else I either give as gifts or, whatever. And I mean, it really is a nice box. And it can have anywhere from, I've received a gorgeous wool shawl to, everything from, cosmetic, like skincare and candles and bowls and decorative bowls. And I mean, just it's been everything. So it really is a neat box. That's all I'm going to say. But you're welcome to it. There's a link below. Help yourself. Okay. You always get a magazine. And usually they have something like someone on it. So this is kind of different, but they're always fun to read. And then you get all this extra stuff, papers and whatnot. We got stickers. So those of us with planners, yay! We love stickers. And it says Spring 2021. Love that. That's going to go in a journal. And hold on. Okay. I'm going to start with some of the goodies. So this is, and I have a lot in my hands, so I'm not going to open everything up right now, but I am going to look. So this is a 4-piece gold foil lip mask. Now, this particular box, I don't think I got to pick anything because none of this looks familiar to me. You can go in and you can pick certain things, and then you can go in and say, just surprise me. And so, yeah. And I think this is one of those. But it says 4 pieces of gold foil lip masks. I have never had a problem with like wrinkling around my mouth until all of a sudden it just feel like I'm wrinkly. And I think it's just COVID has been just different, whereas in the past I would get up, do my hair, put on makeup, but I mean, we're at home, we live in the property, we live in the country. I don't do that every day. So I'm not exfoliating like I would normally exfoliate. I'm not doing all the things I should do. So this is going to be nice. I think it's going to be nice. And a lot of my face is just, it needs more and more and more and more exfoliation as I age. So anyways, and then just something to help put back nutrients. I think that'll be fun. Okay, I do not know what this is. It says, looks like it's like little powder puffs. There's 3 of them. And that's neat. I think those will be nice. They feel really soft. I'm not going to open them because I'm one-handed, but they're by sayhello.com. I don't know. They're very fluffy, very pretty, and they remind me when I was young, and I always wore white linen when I was young, and I still do occasionally. I mean, I still always have a bottle of white linen. It's kind of like my signature perfume. And my husband would buy me the kits, and my mom would buy me the sets, and from Estee Lauder, and they always had the powder with them. And for many, many years, I could use the powder. I can't do it anymore because my skin's so sensitive. But I always would replace. I would use that powder puff up, and then I would put something extra fluffy inside. It was just always so like, to me, it was very shishi poo poo. It was very, frou frou and something you would never necessarily do for yourself. But then when somebody gives it to you, you're just like, oh, yeah, that's fun. The big, like what you would think of as the Doors Day movie with the big powder puff. Yeah, I mean, it was fun. It was fun. Okay, they also sent basil seeds. And I was just thinking about this the other day. These are heirloom herb, which I think right now everybody's going to be hurting for seeds. And my husband went and got us some soil this last weekend. And we buy a very organic, compost-rich soil here in Central Texas from Gardenville. So if you guys are in the area, Gardenville soil, their Supreme soil is the best. Um, so I was thinking I was going to go get some starters, and I got one yesterday I ordered some basil from Walmart's grocery section. You know how they sometimes sell those where they have just the roots? Well, this one came completely potted in a plant, so I may just take it outside and plant it. But I'm going to do a caprese salad tonight, which is just mozzarella, tomato, and basil. And so I'll use a few leaves off that, and I'll plant the rest out front. I've got to put soil in those pots up on the porch. And then my husband puts them up on our half wall, which there's no way I can lift those pots down. They're probably 85 pounds. They're horrible. And he just lifts them up, puts them up on top there. But anyways, and I think I'm going to take these. I'm going to try growing some basil from seed. I haven't done that in a long, long time. So I think I'm going to try that. And that saves me digging up my seed. And if I got literally 40 plants off of this, I would use all that basil. I would eat it every day. I love basil. And so does my family. Okay, the next thing is a Biomi Brightening Ampoule. I don't know what that is. It's by Earth Harbor Marina. And it says that it's very natural. And let me read here. It says, is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses, spirulina and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance or even radiant complexion. So, like I said, that's another good thing for my skin. So I'm going to give that a try. And I love essential oils. Love, love, love. And anything ocean. Anything ocean. So, this is an Australian certified toxic-free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization, pardon me. Goodness, I'm tired. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. There you go, Grown Alchemist, and it's a body cream. There you go, and it is mandarin rosemary leaf. Yeah, so I'll smell that one in just a minute, and then I've got an LED indoor planter, short stories. Oh, maybe that's what this goes with. So everyone has a story. Ours is short. We design thoughtfully curated pieces that make modern style accessible to everyone. Share your stories with us. I think, there's a little bit more in the box, but I'll go ahead and open this one. Oops, sorry. It's kind of close to the phone camera. My apologies. So, and I already put that basil in the window. Oh, this is hydroponics. Yes, I think I saw this. This is a hydroponic garden. So that's what that basil's for. We will try that. This is a very small hydroponic garden, so that should be fun. So I'm going to stick that in here. Yes, I am. How much fun is that going to be? Yeah. And we found a sweet potato in one of our gardens this last weekend. My daughter pulled it out. And from last year, and it's a good size sweet potato. So I set it out with my hydroponic things that I never got going in February, which thank God I didn't because of the snow and the freeze and how cold it was in the house. Everything would have died. And so I set the sweet potato out. I'm getting ready to start my sweet potato slips. And then I'm also going to, I'll be setting up hydroponics in there. And I need to go back and rewatch all the videos and do all that good stuff. But it's all good. I mean, guys, you do what you can when you can. What we did last spring was crazy. And we're not doing it again. But I'm really glad we didn't start some of the things that we had planned to do over the summer. That we planned all last summer and fall, that we didn't do this winter, because I literally would not have it in me right now to get things out into gardens. We would have lost so much due to that freeze. Even the stuff, if we'd had it in the basement, even though we had a wood stove going, I think the temperature sways from extremely freezing to a lot of heat from being put out by the wood stove. I think it would have killed the plants, down there. My husband's like, oh no, they would have lived. And I'm like, I don't think so. But, it's all good. We just do what we can. Okay, so this is a body cream. Let's smell what this smells. Oh, I hate when they do this, because if it's sealed and I can smell it and I don't like it, I just give it to one of my kids and it's a really nice gift. But if it's not sealed, then I have to do this. Oh yeah, mommy's not giving that one away. Oh, I love rosemary. And I think, this is rosemary mandarin. So it is just oh my gosh. It took a minute to get it going. The scent, but look at those old wrinkles go away, guys. I have the worst hands under the sun. And growing up on the coast, they're always so spotted and whatnot. Oh my goodness, guys, that just smells. It's like therapeutic. Okay, I'll just sit here and smell my hands for a while. Aromatherapy. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Goodness, this box just goes and goes this time. Oh my goodness. I think that's it. Okay, ooh, Argan Oil. Josie Marin. And this is an organic moisturizing oil. So, let me see if I showed you that. And then I still have other things in my hands because I pulled everything up. So it's just a good argan oil. Let me see. Is it for hair, face, or all of the above? It doesn't say. So let me see if it says on here. It says there's only one ingredient in this bottle. 100% pure, 100% organic, 100% natural argan oil. It's Josie's signature ingredient for a reason. It's a multitasking moisturizer that works wonders on skin, hair, and nails. First, cold pressed to protect its healthy, hydrating properties and ideal for all skin types, especially dry and sensitive. That is me. How to use. Use a moisturizer and health and beautify your face, hair, and nails naturally. Use it as a hydrating face moisturizer to treat split ends, condition cuticles, soften rough feet and toes. That is great. I am literally, my husband is going to go and help pick up tax documents from a client. I think my daughter's going to ride with him, and I'm going to do my hair while they're gone. So this is perfect timing. Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. That's a 5 backwards. Okay. Verso Skincare from Stockholm. And it says firming and smoothing eye serum with a retinol 8. I've never done a retinol, so I'm kind of afraid, but I'm being honest. I'm really afraid. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. So what I'm going to do, since I have that other lotion down there, I'm just going to test it on my arm. So if you don't know that, or test it on the inside of your arm is probably better, just test things on your arms and see if you're allergic to them. And because I'm so hyper skin sensitive to everything, I test everything. I don't. So before I'd even begin to think about putting this on my eyes, I'll put it on my arm, I'll put it on a place on my face, and then I'll find a tender skin area and put it on my face, and then I'll eventually put it on my under my eyes if it all goes well. If it doesn't, then I just use it in other places. Since I've already used it, I can't give it away. Okay, I'm just going to cut this open because it is not, it's funny that all of these others have highly breakable stuff and they were not wrapped up, but I don't know. Let me see here. Okay, I think that's it. I'm pretty sure. So this is Pure Iconic Glow, illuminating face and body oil, dry oil. So my skin is so bad. I don't know if they've watched my videos or what, but this is a great thing. Oh, well, there you go. It's going to give you a little glow. Well, I think that is just lovely. Let's see how much of a glow it gives us. Okay, let me see. I can do a little drop on my hand. Of course, you can do this on your cheekbones or on your décolleté or, ooh, it's like body glitter. Well, that's going to be fun in my videos today, huh? You guys are going to get to see how many videos I make today by the glow on my hands. Okay, guys. Oh, that's it. This is my Fab Fit Fun box. Yes, I said it correctly. Yay. I'm going to save that. That will make some really neat tags. And this would too, because of that would be a real pretty tag in that too. I know I'm such a junk journaler. I know you're probably thinking, does she ever stop? No, I don't. I don't stop thinking about things like that. I wake up thinking about projects. I go to sleep thinking about projects. I'm planning, working, doing all those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want on this hydroponic little kit, if you guys are interested, I will be glad. Leave a comment below, and I will be glad to share a post on Instagram. If you're not, no big deal. Or you can email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com, and I will gladly share. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'd love to have you. It is a fun community here. I was talking about a lot of serious things today, but normally we're not. Normally we're just enjoying our time together. So we'd love to have you come be a part of us and hit that notification. There's a little bell right beside that, that subscription tab. Go to the one right to the right and hit that notification. It'll tell you every time a new video comes up. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I will be back. I've got a few more hauls to do. Then I've got 3 planning videos to do. And then I think that's all I'm going to do today, because then I've got to get some other stuff done. But I think that 6, 7, 8 videos before I get through in a day, I think that's plenty. So, okay, friends. Again, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Y'all have a great day. Be safe. And thank you for being here. Love you. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.